Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go, guys. Hopefully you guys also took advantage of the Prime Day sales that were going on the last couple of days. And also today they have Prime Day sales going. So it's not over yet. Definitely check these guys out. Like I said, they got sales still going. And take advantage of it right now. Maybe a gift for somebody, stocking stuffers, or, you know, Christmas is around the corner, so it is moving fast. Oh boy, mystery. Fem Evo. Here we go. Fem Evo 4K digital camera for vlogging, for pictures, you name it. This is a good one to get, guys. I'm gonna open it, test it out, and see what's inside. Ooh. Okay. Now I feel like a professional cameraman. Oh, baby. I guess I don't have to use my cell phone that much anymore now. Oh. It's been a long time since I had a camera. This should fold out. And you can also do... Oh yeah, this is a put a tripod. I think this is touchscreen. You can do a lot of video editing with vlogs. Also add... Whoa, that shot out. Probably another filter or microphone, I would assume. Or maybe like a light. Well, it has a nice flash right there. Autofocus 52mm, 16 times powerful zoom. Just remember to remove this right here. Oh yeah. Now let's see what it comes with. You got a nice little travel satchel. Oh baby. You have a lens cleaner for the screen and the camera front. Definitely excited. So hopefully I'll be traveling. I'm not sure about this year. Got a few things that I'm still waiting upon. So I might travel next year. But right now I'm going to take it easy like I've been doing the last few years. And just waiting for the thing to come through. And it's almost done. So I'm excited. Definitely waited a long time for this, so definitely going to be traveling a little bit. Not a lot, but, you know, once in a while. Need to escape. We got the charger. So, yeah, this was, I think, it's still under $100. So, I mean, if you're looking for something like this, because I know a lot of art websites now are asking for digital pictures, like... If you do your art drawing, they're going to want it digital with a digital camera. So there's a reason why I got this. So. But besides to travel, and you get memory card adapter. I wonder if you get I got to get a memory card. Dang it. And lens cover. Unless, I don't think this has... Oh, sweet. Comes with a memory card. Okay. Definitely happy now. I might still could upgrade to get a bigger one. Just gotta make sure what's around. But 32 gigs should be good enough for a few pictures, stuff like that. Wow, this is long. HDMI, you can hook it up to watch videos, edit movies. You get 2 batteries, which is really good. 2 for the price of 1. Then you get the USB hookup. Now let's turn this thing on. This thing, well, it feels good. I like how this feels. Should be easy snap. So once I've learned this thing, I should be alright. Oh, there's another film right here. I'll remove that at the end. Man, my allergies are killing me today, Sarah. It's been a long week with everything going on. But we'll be alright, guys. We are still here. Gotta loop it. Do the loopy loop. If I could get it straightened. So like I said, they got still a lot of time left on the sales. This is usually a $200 camera, and you could get it now for under $100, which I think is still a pretty good deal, especially for what I need it for. I'm not no professional photographer and stuff like that. I'm not going to be doing like those crazy things like with photography, but maybe just for a few videos, try it out. And then also, oh, here's all the goodies go. The art stuff I gotta take pictures for. HDMI spot. So this thing has everything. And the battery goes. Nobody knows. And my nose is running. There we go. Pop that out. It's like 100 miles and running. My nose is just going. It's a weather changing, different craziness going on outside. So, but now a lot of things are open back up. So, you never know what I might do. I think I deserve a little break after the last couple of years. There we go. Just slide it in. See, pushy, pushy. Push it to the limit. There we go. Now we can remove this film. Put that right there. Power, power, power. Ah, welcome. Ooh. And also you could go. You can take a front selfie. So if you're a group shot, you know, with your buddies at Disney, you could take pictures of. Or you could just flip it like this. And it's nice. SD, I gotta add SD card. Different modes, full HD, no image. Here's the setup. I wish it was touch, but you can still maneuver. Languages, time, date, 50 or 60 hertz frequency. How do I go back in time? And this compared to the old day cameras we used to have. Oh lordy, we made it though. We survived. We had to go to the store and get them developed. You kiddies don't know what you're missing. Like I said, tripod you can always add on an extra light or a speaker, microphone, whatever. Maybe an extended lens. You just gotta take a look around, see what you want, and when you're gonna be shooting stuff, you know, nature or whatever you do, sporting events. Like I said, this is my first time in a long time. Full HD, default. Oh, I'll cancel. Here's the camera. Now you can go night vision, portrait, landscape, beach. Just because of size. And then blurry, it fixes it too. Wow. High sensitivity. That's probably like sporting events and stuff like that. Right there. Femivo. This is a nice screen too. Definitely excited. Like I said, once I get this thing rolling, understand it a lot more, and I'm gonna learn a few things about this camera. But right now, this is what it looks like. Really nice. Definitely a good one for vlogging, editing, photos, for you name it. It's here. On sale now. Oops, there's a little smudgy on the lens already. Oh, man. So that's what the cover's for. Just cap it. Really cool. But man, compared to the old days, this is so much better. You got don't worry about camera or the film rolls you had to carry also. And they were super heavy. This is just like, you can toss it around, but don't do it. Don't toss. Got the light there. Got the buttons there. Definitely a nice feel to it. If you snap like this, you got a good grip. My hands are kind of big. I don't know. Some say that it's small, but it has a nice grip. Boom, 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 boom. I like it. But the only thing is, like I said, I kind of wish it was touch. But I don't think that matters. I'm just kind of spoiled with using the cell phone instead of a camera. But I'm sure there's a lot more expensive cameras out there. But for the price, can't go wrong. So, look, like I said, if you're want to do photography and looking into something, this would be a good startup for anybody. Like me, I'm starting up. I'm learning. Ain't nothing wrong with that. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Have a good night. Be safe.